Are you tired of dealing with frizzy, coarse hair that never seems to stay smooth and manageable, no matter what you try? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to find the right shampoo and conditioner that are both effective and kind to our hair and the planet. What if I told you that the solution to your hair woes is not only cruelty-free, but also packed with organic goodness? Let me introduce you to the best cruelty-free shampoo and conditioner for your hair, the Green People Moisturizing Shampoo. If you've been on the hunt for a shampoo that understands your frizzy, coarse hair needs, this could be the answer you've been waiting for. This shampoo isn't just another product on the shelf. It's formulated with organic ingredients designed to nourish and hydrate your hair, leaving it softer, smoother, and more manageable. No more fighting with dry, uncooperative strands. This shampoo works with your hair, not against it. Plus, it's completely cruelty-free, so you can feel good knowing you're making an ethical choice for your beauty routine. But what sets this shampoo apart from others? It's designed specifically for coarse, frizzy hair, offering deep moisture and protection against environmental stressors. If you've been using products that just don't give your hair the hydration it needs, this one is different. Your hair will feel the difference from the first wash. Here's a quick stat to make you think. Did you know that over 50% of people with coarse hair say they struggle to find a shampoo that truly moisturizes and tames frizz? That's a huge problem, but it doesn't have to be your reality. With the best cruelty-free shampoo and conditioner, like Green People Moisturizing Shampoo, you'll experience smoother, healthier hair in no time. Don't miss out. This is your chance to transform your hair with a shampoo that not only works but also aligns with your values. Remember, cruelty-free and organic doesn't mean sacrificing quality. It means getting better results while being kinder to the planet. Click the link in the comments to grab your bottle of Green People Moisturizing Shampoo today. You're just one step away from better hair. Thanks for watching, Beautyistic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video with more tips, reviews, and beauty advice.